Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing Hearts2Hearts official Fanlight. This is how the box looks. There's a raised embossing. And this is the first Fanlight I have where you can actually see it from the outside. It's in the shape of their signature 2 hearts clover. Let's open it. So here it is. There's this silicone button. Here's the strap that comes with it. There's an instruction manual and a photocard. Let's take a look and see who we have. I have Ian. Okay, I'm gonna add batteries to this Fanlight and we'll see how it really looks. Okay, so I put the batteries in. So the first light is this pale blue color. And then it blinks. Rapid blink. And I think it's going between the baby blue color and white. See, it's white now and now it's baby blue. White, baby blue. This is white, a cloud white. And now it's back to the beginning. That was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you next time. Bye.